The Bitcoin next move, 97% are totally unready for it. What about you, my friend? Are you ready for the next move of Bitcoin? To know exactly which move us we're talking about, make sure to watch that video from the start till the end without skipping any part of that video. As you see, guys, that the daily candle here, it finished. Bitcoin give us here a nice bullish pin bar in a very stronger level as we tell it to you before. Look at it. If we came like that, first time we bounce from it, this time, even today, a nice pin bar in a very stronger supply and demand zone. By the way, guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 like. Yes, my friend, you watching me now, please smash that like button which is down and write with it a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we're giving daily swing trading and long-term signals. Also yesterday we enter a short, as you see it, guys. What happened after that short we enter in it? I explained everything yesterday, but it's okay. Look at it. First take profit being hit, second take profit being hit here, and today it's hitting for us the third take profit. Very nice profit from that short. Yes, also we miss it from the top, but it's okay, we make money from it. That the advantage when you join in us, guys. Also we don't care if we enter from top, from the middle, from the bottom. Also we are ready to make money. So if you are interested in those types of signals, the link of our Patreon is it down in the description of that video, and in the first comment you click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon. You click at join, you finish the payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps. Still you're going to be in our VIP Discord. But if you're facing any problem how to join us, how to set up everything, you can text me either here in Patreon. If you don't know how, you can join our free Discord, our free Telegram. All the links are down, and over there you search for admin and you're going to find me in the top. Then you text me and I'm going to solve all the problems of you, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, that nice pin bar will happen here in a very stronger level, as you see it here. Also we tell you that yes, the market he breaking for us. That channel also we used to talk about, he break it here by that pin bar. But also now market he given us here, like how I told you yesterday. I told you it's going to give you here like a mega fall like that. Now that megaphone, guys, if we break it here, that's when we're going to see the Bitcoin dumping again. If the Bitcoin going back to the top of that megaphone, we're still bullish. As you see all those things I'm showing you here, you can even make now here like a wage like that. As you see it, that's a wage, guys, here in daily. You see it here for a megaphone. So everything still looking the same. The only things, if the Bitcoin going back to the top here, that's another story. If the Bitcoin breaking down here, we are going to fall down very hard, guys. So I think I explained everything. We got something very important here in Bitcoin in daily, guys. We show it to you. What I got here in the daily, guys, is that one. That one is very important. Look at it. We touch that 50 moving average. That blue one here is the 50 simple moving average in the daily. When we touch it, the market give us here that pin bar, that very nice pin bar there. Now what shall we do? Shall we enter a long? For the long we need another green daily candle here telling us the market is going to reverse very hard. At this time there is nothing, guys, and also we tell it to you yesterday. We told you look at the volume profile. We are in a very stronger level. Without the volume profile, just by your eye you're going to see it. May I just show it to you. I told you we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, and that's what happened, guys. Without any of those fancy indicators, you can read that. But I think I explained everything. Now it's going back to other chart. Now, guys, what is it the view? Did the Bitcoin from here is going to reverse? We need to wait in the coming candle. The coming candle is very, very, very important, guys, because when it happen a pin bar, when it happen a pin bar, when it happen a pin bar, market it reverse. Same thing here, a pin bar, market it fall down. Now it happen here, a hammer or a pin bar, name it whatever you can. The most important to know how to trade it. Even if you don't know the name of nothing, just a candle do will like that with a big tail, more than 50% of the body is a pin bar or a hammer. So I think I explained everything. We need now a confirmation here. We need to cross above the 20 moving average or the 200 moving average in the 4 hours. We're going to come to it when we're reaching there. Now, like last Saturday, guys, like today, because Friday the options they finished, we came with doing those levels like that. Those ones about Bitcoin options. We said those ones in the top 116, those ones down here 93k, and as you see it, guys, the Bitcoin just touched that 93k and close above it here. Now what the view? That's very, very important, guys. What the view for the coming week? We need to put in, even for that week, those Bitcoin option level to know where is the Bitcoin is going to stay all the week. So let's go into that page where we're getting all those things. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. That week is going to be very, very, very huge week because it's the week where we are going to close a yearly candle, guys. That week is too dangerous to predict it because it's going to be the end of the month. As you see, it is going to finish it at 27 of month 12. You need to be careful, guys. We don't know what's going to happen at the yearly close. Us, we just in weekly candle, we catch him very nice moves by that volatility. Imagining yourself at the yearly candle. That's why you saw all those ones, they are all of them together, because if you saw here, some people they put in pots here at 56k, guys. See it or no? Because even the yearly option is going to finish. That way you find it very big like that. Now we're trying to find those levels together for pots and for calls. So it's doing that together. As you see, guys, that the level where is the in the money now, because now also we are at 97, because that one here is for yearly candle 84. Now let's try to find those levels. Here we are, guys. We found the first level here. Is it at 90k? The total pots here 997 Bitcoin. The total calls 33 Bitcoin. The total volume, guys, that very, very, very important. Look at it, $100 million. And is it the highest spike here? That's why me I put it at 90k. I know it's too close to the market, but that volume will give us that. That's why also we put it at 90k. And me I give you my opinion, the Bitcoin it will not fall down below than 97k, but also we put it at 90k. So I think I explained everything. Now let's find it for calls. For calls, guys, as you see it, we found the level here 125k. The number of pots here are 0. The number of calls 633 Bitcoin. The total volume here 61.65 million. So that one, the level for calls 125k, and for pots we said 190k. Now let's go into the chart to drawing those levels together, guys. Here we are, guys. We said the down level is going to stay closer to where it is now. We said only 90k. So we are just going to delta that tree and we're writing there as 0. The top level, that one is going to be a little bit higher. We said 125k like that, guys. You see it? So the view of the Bitcoin options, the Bitcoin from here is going to go back above. And may I tell it to you, in the last week, I told you guys the Bitcoin is going to close above that 108k will reach to it. And if it fall down, it will not fall down below 97k. And as you see it, it touched 93k, but very quickly go back to 97k. Now let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours, because it might Bitcoin to give us here a head and shoulder, because if you see it, guys, it might Bitcoin to give us here a head and shoulder, and we're going to see it from here dumping. Even that one it's possible, and that way us every day we came here putting for you new videos. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Look at that candle what happened here. That one also we call it pregnant woman because as you see that green candle compared to that red candle, the green candle it happened to it like that, and we got a red candle next to it like that. That way also we call it a pregnant woman, and that one it's a reversing candle. Now what shall we do, guys? Because as you see it happened at the 100 moving average. We still waiting the Bitcoin to cross above here, because now if we try to enter along, because it might we just going to touch here, then after that to fall down, because that 50 moving average here it's very stronger exactly at 98,931. So also we still waiting, we need extra confirmation here telling us the Bitcoin is going to reverse, guys. Yes, the level as we tell it to you yesterday is a very stronger level, and that dump what happened here just to hit stop loss, because the level is it here exactly at 96k. But as you know, market makers they always push it a little bit down to hit some stop loss. They being waiting down here because they know some people they are going to put pending orders here and they put in stop loss here, so then they push it to hit them. Now where is the levels? You need to look close at them here in Bitcoin for today, guys. Let me show it to you. As you see that level here we tell it to you 95,486, and that one here 102,603, and the one above here, that one we are not going to reach to it, and that one down here 9,808. So those ones the levels you need to look at them. If the Bitcoin going above to that white one, maybe you're going to see a correction. If the Bitcoin fall down again to that 95k, it might from there to go above. Second scenario, the Bitcoin to fall down again to that one here 9,808, and after that maybe we're going to see another correction. So I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours. Yesterday from here I told you also we put a buy order from that pin bar here, and I tell the people they follow me to put pending order down here. Market fell down very close to it. Also we put it at 3,025. Market fell down to 3,100 something, so it doesn't trigger us. But also we got along here as you see it, because also we sold here at 4,000 and we tried to buy from down here and down here. Now what the view? We're still waiting if the Ethereum from here going to reverse upward. That's very good. If the Ethereum going to fall down again, we still have here that pending order I just told you. If it's going to trigger or no, that's what us we doing. But guys, the things us we talking about here, is it for long term without leverage, just spot. That's what us we talking about. But as you see, guys, the Ethereum it fall down to that very stronger supply and demand zone here at 3105 exactly here, and after that look at it very quickly try to reverse. Now let's see what's going to happen here, because we need a price action. It might all that correction here, it just orders the being pending here in that level here. Let's see if it's going to give us here a price action, because as you see, guys, market doesn't just reverse like that. You need a price action like how it used to be here at triple bottom, and like now here at double top. So we're still waiting a price action here telling us the market is going to reverse. If it doesn't, we're still in a downtrend, guys. The Ethereum here, if it doesn't give us here a price action, we're still in a downtrend. As me I've been telling you, market when it's going above, it doesn't go up like that very straight, and when it's falling down, it doesn't fall down like that. Always fall down with waves, even when there is volume too high. Look at it, guys, always making those waves like that. That's why me I told you we need a price action here telling us the market is going to reverse. Now let me show you why us we buy the Ethereum even when me I'm telling you all those things. Let me show you why. As you see, guys, our indicator it touch extreme oversold area. That's why us we buy, but us we still only in a place where is the bears they controlling. That means there is nothing, and we still have here that downtrend of the divergence, that one with white. We show it to you before. So if you are using leverage, should you buy for leverage traders? It's not yet. Wait, my friend. If you want exactly to make money the right way, you can join our VIP Discord, where we giving daily signals, my friend. But it's up to you. Now let's go in to see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here in Bitcoin in the 4 hours, we're still waiting. As I tell to the people they follow me, we're still waiting the Bitcoin to come back inside that channel. Because if it came back inside it, all that is going to be just a fake out, and Bitcoin is going to go back to the top of that channel. Because as I just show you in daily, what I told you. I told you guys, look at it. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look here. If you came and you do it like that, guys, what you seeing? Very stronger supply and demand zone. And if you came and you do it like that, what is it that? A megaphone. Now what the view? Either the Bitcoin from here going to go back to the top here to touch for us the top of that megaphone. That possible, guys. Second scenario, the Bitcoin from here going to break the lower here, and we're going to see it falling down more than that. So that's my view, guys. I think I explained everything to you guys. Another very important thing here in Bitcoin in 4 hours, that where is all the movie built on. Let me show you which things I'm talking about. Is it that one here, guys? Look with me here. If you see where we are, that's what us we've been waiting all the whole day. We're still waiting the Bitcoin to cross above the 200 moving average. If we haven't crossed above it, all those things you saw here is just correction. And it might the Bitcoin from here to fall down, because if you're looking at the 20 moving average, what are you doing? He break the 50 and he break the 100, and soon is going to break even the 200 moving average, guys. So that's why me I told you we still waiting a candle to come to do like that, to cross above the 200 moving average. That means us we still in an uptrend. Even those ones here, those first ones, they try to do all those things. If we close above the 200 moving average, we're still in an uptrend. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, here in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, look at it. It touch here extreme oversold area level. Also, we are in a very stronger level. I just show you in normal days. If we are in the normal days of the Bitcoin, we buy here for long term. Why I haven't buy today? Because as I've been telling you all those past days, I've been telling you, if you are an investor for long term, there is no buying those days. We still more Bitcoin to dump. That's the right time for us to buy. Because now we are in the top, guys. No one buying for long term in the top. To be a good investor, you need always to buy the low and to sell the high. And now us we are in the high. Anyone who will buy in the high is not an investor, is just an amateur. That's what me have been telling you. The only thing, if you want to DCA for long term and you don't got intention to sell your Bitcoin, that's another story. You can hold it and you can DCA once a week, once a month. That depends on you how you use it. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see it Bitcoin is doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, we got many price actions here. We still have here the downtrend here. Now we are in the border of it. If we break it, we're going to enter a long. As I've been telling you, we still have here another thing, guys. Let me show it to you. And we need to zoom it a little bit like that to explain it to you more. If you are someone who got a stronger eye, well, that you see it here and you spot it. Look at it, guys. What you got here? You got here a head and shoulder. You see it here? Not a very clear head and shoulder, guys, here in 30 minutes. Man, if the Bitcoin breaking above here, we're going to see a mega pump, guys. I know I haven't drawn it very perfect, but like that, guys. Now I'm going to draw it perfectly a little bit for you. Look at it. That's the head and shoulder, guys. So now if we break in the top or the neckline of that head and shoulder, we're going to see Bitcoin jump into the sky. Another very important thing here in Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here, guys? That one, the top indicator is very close to touch extreme overbought area. And if we touch it and also we still below in the 200 moving average here, we're going to see Bitcoin falling down again. So us we still waiting what's going to happen here. Bitcoin, like how us we show you in yesterday, we show you we got here a divergence here. We show you that. Let me zoom it like that to explain those things what I'm telling you, that the divergence also we show you and it's still active here, guys. That the divergence here, should we enter along based on the divergence? I just show you what you need to focus about. So I think I explained everything to you guys. If you like our content, please guys make sure to smash that like button and to write with it a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you. you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.